Hello. Welcome to day 7. We just left the hotel in Fauske and we are now on our way to Nordkjosbotn. It's gonna be a long ride and we also need to take the ferry, so that's gonna be very interesting. Yeah, you know, we had a shared bed, so I decided to sleep on the ground. And yeah, it was not the most pleasant experience, but still better than sleeping in the same bed, you know, with all the talking and snoring and whatnot. So yeah, I also, you know, probably when you hear my voice, you probably see some drone footage. Yeah, I went out with the drone and you know, have some Fauske footage. You know, I wanted to shoot more actually, but my drone was then almost attacked by by seagulls. I don't know, maybe they felt threatened because they don't know what it was. So, but yeah, they attacked me. I needed to enter sport mode and just to get away from them. And then when I landed, they calmed down. So as soon as I saw, they were like squeaking, like, you know, my, and you know, so yeah. But yeah, today is a long day. It's a cooling one, but you know, that should be almost the last stint, and then from Nordkjosbotn it's the last one up to the almost North Cape. So anyway, I hope you're having a good day. You know, day 7 they flew by already, but when you're having fun, when you're enjoying it, then it's always something that, you know, it's just that when you're treading some work or something, then it takes ages. But when you're enjoying it, you know, then it's like, what, 8 hours gone? So yeah, that's normally how it works, you know. But anyway, I'll keep it short this time. So have a good one. Day 7 already. So yeah, we are getting there. So have a good one until the next update. Bye, ciao. And now we are going to Skarberget. So yeah, here's the ferry. We'll see if we hit it or not. Nordkjosbotn to Skarberget. Yeah, that's... Oh, good? Good. Oh.
You have a credit card.
Yes.
By the car.
Behind the car?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, now we wait for the ferry. So yeah, I just paid. So now I'm getting the kickstand out and my father off, and that's about it. Let's hope there's a toilet on the ferry, because I need to pee. So yeah, let's have a quick look. But yeah, nothing too crazy or too spectacular. I think we just missed the ferry because there are just 4 cars here. So, but we'll see. We'll check in once we're on the ferry. So we are currently going on the ferry. It's my first time. So, yeah, very easy, very straightforward so far. And the Norwegian guy took the wrong way. One second. Thank you. We just arrived on the other side. Ferry was super cheap. Ferry was like 5 euros or something, or maximum 6 euros. It was super cheap. Like, I don't know. It was really nice, very smooth ride, 25 minutes-ish, so it was good. Now we are like having only 3.5 hours left, so we, instead of 4.5 hours when we started the ferry, is now 3.5 hours, so it is really good. It's like 237 kilometers, so we should arrive at the destination at around 4 p.m. Yeah, it should be like in Nordkjosbotn or something. It's the city called, and yeah, we should have another hotel there. At the moment the weather is still holding, you know, it's slight raindrops here and there, but nothing too serious. So yeah, landscape is amazing. It's a bit on the windier side here, and if I look at the clouds, you know, yeah, you know, we might be in for a surprise, but hopefully like at one time, like we will pass through the clouds and then have sunshine. At least North Cape tomorrow and Sunday there should be sunshine. Anyway, now 235 kilometers to Nordkjosbotn, and then we are at the destination.